I have some questions for you, right? Have you ever stopped to think about the progress that you've made and the accomplishments that you've achieved? Or do you often find yourself feeling like you haven't done enough or that you could have done better? Well, if that's you, in this episode, we'll dive into the art of celebration and how recognizing and acknowledging your accomplishments can have a positive impact on your life. Before I dive into the art of celebration, please smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the tips I release each week. It's important to take a step back and to celebrate our successes, no matter how big or small that they may seem. Recognizing and acknowledging our accomplishments helps to boost our confidence and motivation, and it can also serve as a reminder of how far we've come. So how can we celebrate our accomplishments in a meaningful way? Well, here are 4 tips. Tip number 1 is write down your achievements. Make a list of everything that you're proud of, from the smallest task to the biggest milestones. Seeing your progress right there in black and white can help you recognize the effort that you've put in and the progress you've made. Number 2 is share your successes with others. Celebrate with friends and family, or share your achievements on social media. This can help to spread positivity and encourage others to celebrate their own accomplishments. Number 3 is treat yourself. Reward yourself for the hard work and dedication. It could be something as simple as treating yourself to a nice dinner at your favorite restaurant. Number 4, reflect on your journey. Think about the challenges that you faced and the decisions you've made and the things that you learned along the way. This will help you appreciate your accomplishments even more and give you a sense of pride and satisfaction. It's important for you to know that celebrating your achievements and accomplishments is an important part of personal development and important part to your road to success. It helps to boost your confidence, your motivation, and it can give you a sense of pride in your achievements. So take some time today to recognize and acknowledge all that you've accomplished, and don't forget to celebrate in a meaningful way. If you like to take your personal development and have your success and take that to the next level and receive some coaching and guidance, click on the link in the description to apply for coaching with me. In the comments below, tell me if you found this episode helpful or have any additional insights on the topic. I really would like to hear from you, and I want you to know that your input may help others too. I invite you to check out the links in the description for some discounts and my affiliate links to some great products. Join the Elevators inbox at brianrobinsoncoaching.com for some free and valuable tips and resources. Check me out on Etsy for some great worksheets, workbooks, and personal development tools. My shop's called Elevate the Great. There's a link in the description. And finally, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is Coach Brian.